Hi guys, welcome to Vanlife VanGaming. Thank you for joining us at Stonehenge on the end day of our Cornwall and Devon trip. So basically, I saw one of our subscribers actually doing this challenge. It's the 3-ingredient sausage roll pastry. So I decided, looks funny, yummy, so let's try it. So they used eggs, sausage meat, puff pastry and cheese. But we're putting our own twist to it. So we're just using eggs, sausage meat and the pastry. So basically you need 4 eggs for this. And you need a setup like this, sort of, if you guys know what I mean. Right, first you've got to do is get your pastry and unwrap it. So let's do that quickly. There you go, there's the unwrapped pastry. Right guys, because we don't have a rolling pin, I took one of these bottles and wrapped up in cling film. And what you want to do now is unwrap your meat so you can make the meat basically for it. Right, so I'm just going to move it out of my hands quickly around here. Then I'm going to use the water bottle. And now let's get the bottle. Now here's where we went different from the Wandering Wilds, who is our subscribers. We have got here 4 hard-boiled eggs, and I'm going to place them here. Right, now what we're going to do is we're going to get this side here, take it off from the peel. Right guys, as you can see, it's all rolled up even on the edges. Now we're going to paint it and make sure, because when it's in the oven and all that, it should make it a bit more crispy. For this, you use the whole egg. If you want to, you can use the whole egg. Right guys, so now that we've just coated it with egg, we've put it on a baking tray and then we're going to put it in the oven for about 25 minutes. I'll see you guys after that. And here is the sausage roll, 30 minutes out of the oven. This looks wonderful. Let's dig in, shall we? recording then. Stop recording. Right guys, so this is very nice. It's very flavorful. So if you guys want to try this out, make sure to try it out at home and do it along with me. This is very nice. I'm going to keep indulging in this. See you guys in a minute. Peace out. Right guys, so that is the end of this video. Make sure to like, subscribe and press the notification bell. And also remember, we have super thanks down below in the comments. And if you guys didn't know, we have posted a video about it. We've got a 1,500